भाषण करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, गलत हो जाएगा, गलत होना अच्छा है नहीं. So I will I will speak in English, that too, because it was, this is Keith and Gautam has pointed out all factors in the society. क्या करना चाहिए हम, education is the only way to progress. You keep your attention to your children, give them the best education possible within the limits of the economic limits. In Kerala, long back in 1683, there was a leader. He took his daughter to the school to admit in 1683. They said, no, your child will not be admitted to the school. They were paddy field workers, the scheduled caste. Your child cannot be admitted along with our children. Then we will not work in your field. We will not work in your field. If you don't admit my child in your school, you will not admit, we will work in your school. And the paddy field was lying barren for 1.5 years. Then they realized that they will die of starvation. Then they allowed that child to be in the school. That is how the education revolution started in Kerala. That is the great leader Ayyangali in 1683. That is how we should, long back he did the same urge we should have. It is difficult for a small family to educate a child, is difficult. I know the economic difficult. Now the fees are very high. If you join him in the professional course, it is difficult. Because we have no land, we have no commercial activities, we don't have any rich relatives. How can we improve the society? Only the child will get some job and will give some return. So, give importance to education, and I am extremely happy to see all of you and this proud gathering on this occasion with this whole idea of propagating all the ideals of Ambedkar and Lord Buddha. It is wonderful. I am happy that I know that how the Haryana people are wedded to these sort of causes, but to see in person is something different. Thank you very much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।